Okay, so I'm mounting a POE camera in the front of my garage, and it's got this big, huge attachment that's going to take a 3/4 inch drill to pass through the house. I'm going to show you how to do this with just a 1/4 inch drill. I could probably go a little smaller on the drill, but I'm going to have a good seal around it with the camera mount and some silicone on the inside. Watch the whole video to see if this works for you and to see if it works for me. I'm going to take this this cord here, cut it. There we go. See you inside the attic. Okay, we're in the attic. I got a clamp and a light here. There's my work area. Here's the wire I pushed in from outside with the 1/4 inch hole. Here's my fun box. The orange is the Ethernet. I put their little boot guy on it, clicked it into their 3/4 inch unit. I stripped the wire and couldn't believe how tiny the little wires are. I think the yellow, red, black is their power add-on that I don't think this camera supports. I'm not even going to connect those first. I'm using generic Scotch locks, using the smallest ones. I'm going to score this insulator here and strip it back a little bit and strap them together and attach a connector. Okay, so I scored and stripped the incoming wire. You can see I put some silicone around that hole back there. And I know it's just these 4 little wires that make up the POE. And by not connecting the others, then we'll all find out. These are the generic 3M Scotch lock connectors. You can see I just matched up the colors and pushed them into those little connectors and squeezed them. They get sealed in oil also, so it's a pretty neat way to connect tiny wires. Let's go see if the camera works. Okay, it worked really good. First try and everything. You can see me out here looking at the video on the computer, and there's the camera up there with only a 1/4 inch hole in the house.